Hello and welcome. This is the Diecast Photographer back with another video today. Today we are going to review the Aston Martin Vulcan, Mclaren 720S and the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So without wasting further time, let's move on into the video. Let's start with the Mclaren 720S. The car looks just fantastic. The purple color really suits it very well. If we take a look here, we can see the Mclaren logo with the headlight tampos. They look quite good. Now if we turn it around, you can see the air vents right here and right here. They are very nicely carved out. The wheels are okay, not very good, but they are okay. Now if we take a look around, we can see the two exhaust pipes, but there is no Mclaren logo. It's the same thing that has happened to the Nissan 570Z in the Fast and Furious edition that was featured in my last video. Overall, the car looks quite good. The black interior to this has also given it a very handsome look. You can see there are two bucket seats inside with the steering wheel. This thing which serves as the glass is also looking quite good. Overall, it is very nice. Now let's take a look at this Aston Martin Vulcan. To start with, we can see that it comes in a white color with red stripes. Here we can see the Aston Martin logo. The doors are right here and the wheels are of the same quality as this Mclaren 720S. Here we can see the air vents and the spoiler looks quite good. Now we can see the interior through this transparent or translucent object. But in the 2019 edition, which was fully green, we could not see what was inside. I would say it was fully opaque, and this is translucent. We can see there are two bucket seats with a steering wheel, and I think there is the engine is under this hood. We cannot pop this hood. So overall, it is quite fantastic, and it is going to be a precious car in my collection. We end here today with this Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This was a part of the 5-packs edition 2019. It is in red color with black stripes, and we can see the Lamborghini logo with this two headlight tampos. They look quite good. Now the tires or the wheels to say are of a different design with red circles around the alloys. We can see here the two air vents. The spoiler looks fantastic with this is the exhaust pipe right here. The exhaust pipe is right here. Now this color is good, but the 2020 edition, which is the blue color with pink stripes, I think, I don't remember it correctly, is much better than this, but looks cool. I'm satisfied with this car, and I think it will be very nice car to have in my collection. If we rate these cars, I will give it a rating of 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, and this one gets a 10 out of 10. I am fully satisfied with all these three cars. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Diecast Photographer. Please let us know which one of these three cars were the best